Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to draw a rectangle in Photoshop or many way. Step 1. Click the shape tool. Use rectangle tool. Select the color. You can use stroke or do not use stroke as you wish. For example, I do not use stroke. Hold shift or fix size. Okay. Again, create a new layer. Another layer. Use stroke color black or red. Again, create another layer. Do not use fill, only use stroke color. Hold shift for fix size or do not hold shift. Stroke size. Okay. Again, apply the same formula around that rectangle. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.